G'day YouTube, Quacker John here. I'm doing a series of motorcycle crash discussions on my channel. The purpose of doing this series is so that we can learn from the mistakes of others and become safer riders ourselves. I release one motorcycle crash discussion video every week on Thursday. Okay, so let's roll the video. The rider is approaching a roundabout in Australia. He is travelling at twice the speed that he should be to negotiate the roundabout, and so speeding is one of the issues of this crash. He should be riding slow enough so that he can stop should a car suddenly appear on his right on the roundabout. Now he is obviously an experienced rider. However, he slides and drops the bike coming out the last manoeuvre. Now in slow motion, he is leaning the bike considerably because of his speed. But when he comes out of his last manoeuvre, he is twisting the throttle and accelerating out of the roundabout. This causes the rear tyre to lose traction and he loses the bike. Even though we may be experienced riders, overconfidence in our own abilities may cause us to crash. We should approach roundabouts cautiously and be ready to stop and give way to vehicles on the roundabout. And you should never twist the throttle and accelerate when the bike is still negotiating in a corner and is leant over. It will always result in a loss of tyre traction. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe to the channel. Live stream is on every Wednesday night at 10 PM Brisbane, Australia time. You're most welcome to join in. You are most welcome to join the Quacker John chat room, and the link for your invitation to join the Quacker John chat room is in the comments under the video. See ya!